Hello everyone, it's Christmas Eve. As you see, I'm dressed in my Christmas attire here, ready to open gifts tomorrow morning. But here are some that I want to open tonight. So these are Tablas from Muqtadas in Calcutta, and these are for some of my new students that are joining the Dhaa School of Music. And I thought, why not create an unboxing video to give you guys a first-hand experience of how. Let's go through it. Let's get right into it. So I've got my trusty multi-tool here, a Swiss army knife and stuff, and I've got my trusty assistant, Popples, waiting to guide me on how to do this. So I'll open the smallest one first because I think this is one of the Dhaas that he made for me. And let's see. Ta-da! Yeah, be careful with the foam. It tends to disintegrate and then break up sometimes, so you might have foam particles all over, so just be careful. But here goes. Here's our first Baya. Here it is. Ta-da! Some beautiful engravings on it. There's always beautiful engravings on there. This Maya has come undamaged. Everything is beautiful. No dings or dents anywhere. And a nice little size for whoever wants to buy this. It's a nice full size Maya. I'll open it later, but meanwhile let's open the other boxes. I'll set this aside. Beautiful black rings this time. So here are the pegs that go into the Baya. There should be 8 of these per Tabla set, so I'll take them out. Usually these just come loose in there. So 1, 2, 3. I'll pair them up as I open the thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I've got 8 in a pair right here next to this Baya. Also comes with beautiful hammers. These things are pretty heavy, which is good for tuning. And if you look here, both the tablas have foam on this side, and then the tabla, and then he's put the rings here, so they're pretty well protected. And then the bags are here, so very nicely protected. Nothing's gonna happen to these in transit, even if the FedEx or the UPS delivery guy is not in a good mood that day. So voila. Beautiful drums. Look at the color of that wood. And for a few times now I've had these nylon straps attached to it because in Phoenix it gets pretty dry, and these nylon straps tend to keep tension longer than the leather straps. Beautiful looking drums. Look at that beautiful artwork on the bottom. Exactly perfectly round, which is what you need for good resonance and balance. And pegs in here. We will open, and I'll open and show you these later once I get through this. So let me get through these now next. And these are the bags. I see he's given me 2 colors this time. This is black loosen it a little bit so it allows us to get into the bag, so I can show you what's there. There you go. It's nicely padded, and it has enough room for a tabla set and a few more of your accessories, if you will. So nice. I'll leave this to the side here. So these are the red color bags, same quality, but just different texture, different color. Look at that. Right off the box. There you go, that's the baya. So I'll play with these a little bit more. My Christmas is made, but I hope you all have a happy, Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and wish you all a wonderful new year. Hopefully 2022 brings a lot of joy and a lot of happiness to all of us. If you're watching this video, let me know if you want to know anything more about these, and you can leave your comment down there and I'll get back to you. But yeah, feel free to subscribe, like the channel, and I'll talk to you soon.